Welcome to Moral Picks. Today is our fifth lesson, and we're diving deeper into word economy, specifically, the substitution of one word for many with examples starting from the letter I. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support means the world to us and helps this channel grow. Learning together is the key to success, and your feedback helps us improve every day. So, stay tuned till the end for some fun examples and tips. Let's jump right into today's lesson and make learning fun and easy.